About 3 years ago, I was actually broke, and right now, I'm not so broke anymore, and that is because of YouTube automation. If you're broke right now and you want to get started with YouTube automation and also make a lot of money, then this video is for you. Whatever situation you're in right now, I'm gonna give you a solution to go from the point you're at right now to making over $100,000 a year with YouTube automation. Let's say that as of right now, you got some money, however, all of that money is going towards rent, gas prices, and all the other stuff going on in this day and age. What do you do? Because it's hard to do YouTube automation, right? You don't have money to outsource the videos, meaning you cannot really automate the work just yet. Because of that, you have to realize that you have to put in some physical work yourself. If you don't have the funds to outsource work, you need to start out doing it yourself. Don't be ashamed. I did the exact same thing in 2019. Even in the beginning of 2020, I was still doing some of the work myself. So instead of money driving you forward, you're gonna put in work yourself in order to get your business started. Don't be ashamed though. People like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, they all started themselves. Here are 9 quick steps to get that done. Step number 1, create a channel that you know a lot about. That can be your hobby, your work, or just any random topic that you happen to have knowledge about. Step number 2, do research and try and find proof of concept. Meaning, are there any other YouTube automation channels that are currently making content in that niche that are doing extremely well in terms of views, sub count, and revenue? Step number 3, start doing topic research. Find topics, aka videos, that have been performing extremely well on these channels. Step number 4 is now time to write a script. Normally we outsource that, however, you're gonna start off doing it yourself in order to get your money up. Step number 5, download a video editing software. The one I recommend is DaVinci Resolve. It's totally free and is very beginner friendly. Step number 6, record a voiceover. Now, even though your voice may not be the best or you've got a little accent, don't worry about it. It's just about getting started. Your accent doesn't matter. No one cares about it. Just get it done. For that, you can buy a cheap microphone or you can simply use your phone. If you've got a microphone, download Audacity to record your audio using your computer. Step number 7 is video editing. Edit a video using the software that I just mentioned. Put together a video using your voiceover and clips and pictures from websites like Pexels and Pixabay. If you've got $30 to spare per month, I recommend getting Storyblocks. This will make your videos 10 times better in terms of the footage that you can use, which will then make it more likely for your channel to do very well. Step number 8, create a thumbnail using Canva. Canva is a free designing tool that you can use to put together a good thumbnail. Step number 9, upload the videos by using SEO and optimization. I've got more videos about that linked down below. Once you've got those 9 steps done, you should have a video. What it comes to now is being consistent and having patience and improving along the way. Always be improving. Once your channel then starts making money, you can slowly start outsourcing the work. Now let's say that you yourself don't have money, you have time, and you have some like-minded friends that do have money but don't have time. What you can do there is make the perfect combination and start a YouTube automation business together, where your friend puts in the funds and you put in the work. This is a great way to work yourself up because you can now make money by putting in your time, and the other person can make more money by using his or her money that person already has. So you're basically investing and making more money, which for that person is great, and for you is great as well because you allow yourself to get it going. Now here's what you should do when you partner up on a channel with your friend. First of all, decide what each person will bring to the table. What exactly do you do, and what exactly does the other person do? Is it gonna be work-based, money-based, anything like that? Make sure that you make rules there. Next up, decide how you're gonna divide the profits and set up a contract for this if you cannot rely on that person 100%. Even though you can, you might still wanna do it just to be safe. You never know what happens. Now, if you're partnering up without investing money, so you're gonna put in work and your friend is also gonna put in work, then make sure that you split the tasks based on your skill sets. If you're better at making thumbnails, make sure that you do the thumbnails. If your friend is better at script writing, obviously make sure that he or she does script writing. These are usually the tasks that you would need to divide. Topic research, script writing, the voiceover, video editing, thumbnail design, uploading, and managing the project. These 2 options that I just gave you are fantastic. However, I'm a big fan of option number 3, which is you get a job and you use the money from the job to put into your side hustle. One of my friends is actually doing this as of right now. He's got a job where he makes about $2,000 per month, working about 2 days per week, and then the rest of the time he's spending on building the e-commerce company as well as the YouTube automation channels. So he's funding his YouTube channel by using the money from his normal job. If currently you don't have money, this is a fantastic way to go about things because you can now quickly get money into your bank account. You then use that to fund your YouTube automation business, You keep that going, meaning you cannot really lose. As long as you keep your job, you'll have money to fund your YouTube automation videos, and then as soon as YouTube channels start taking over, you can slowly start transitioning and you go full-time or whatever it is that you want to do. I actually got started by doing all of the work myself, and then as of right now, I turned this into a $1 million business, which is actually pretty crazy to say. So if you're watching this right now, you've got zero money in your bank account, use one of these methods that I gave you, and I guarantee you that you can end up right here at this place. I'm no one special, you can do the same thing. Let me know which option you're going to choose, 1, 2, or 3, and let's get it going. If you want the YouTube automation blueprint, check out this video right there, and I'll explain exactly how it works so that you can get it going with that money.